My name is Mark, and I will be presenting the sync capabilities of the Folio3 connector between e-commerce and the ERP. We have three environments here: Folio3 Connector Dashboard, the ERP, and e-commerce store. This is the dashboard and web interface of the Folio3 connector. At the top of the screen, you can see the status of the connector as running. At the right top corner of the screen, you can find the notification pane. Here, you can see different charts for basic reporting purpose. Both of these charts shows the connector has processed services to sync different types of data entities. The chart below is the throughput of the connector, which shows the connector has processed a bunch of messages on this date. This is the connection page, where you can see all the connections configured between ERP and e-commerce. The connector is multi-tenant, so it can sync multiple systems and entities at the same time. You can click on Modify to review or edit the configuration of each connection. This page shows the services to sync different type of data entities that the connector is performing in the background, for example, product, inventory, shipment, etc. You can view the service name, change the frequency of service to sync based on your requirement, view the last sync timestamp, sync direction, and job status. You can also stop or start the service anytime, and also can review all the logs generated for this particular service from View Log button. It's a live feed page where you can view all the real-time sync logs generated by connector. This page is similar to live feed page. It comes with advanced search capability by different logs, to and from date, service or keyword. It's a manual sync page. As you can see, the connector posts all the error logs here, and you can define the users who will be notified via email for any error log. The assigned user can come to this page and view the details of each error log. You can resync that message or skip it. Here, I complete the walkthrough of the connector's dashboard. In the first use case, I will create a new product in ERP and have the product sync that to e-commerce. I am creating a new product now in ERP. Let's go to connector's live feed page and review the sync confirmation message post by the connector. Here is the confirmation from the connector of the new product sync. Let's go to e-commerce store and verify the new product sync. So you see, here is the new product that we created in ERP, and it's synced by the connector in e-commerce. In the second use case, I will update the existing product in ERP, and connector will sync that update to e-commerce. I am updating the price and weight of the existing product in ERP. Let's move to the connector's live feed page and view the sync confirmation message from the connector. Here is the confirmation message by the connector. Let me verify this product update in e-commerce as well. Here, you can see the price and net weight have been updated by the connector. In the third use case, I will add some inventory to the existing product in ERP and let the connector sync it to e-commerce. I am adding the inventory in ERP now. Let me show you the live feed page of the connector for the sync confirmation message. Here is the confirmation. The inventory is synced. Let me review it on e-commerce side as well. Here you can see the inventory has been updated by the connector. In fourth use case, I will place an order as a customer on e-commerce store and let connector to sync the customer and order details to ERP. I am signing up as a new customer now. And now I am placing an order on e-commerce store. Order has been placed, and here is the order number. I will move to Live Feed page on the connector dashboard and review the sync confirmation message. Here it is. The confirmation message is here. Let's move to ERP and verify this sync. First, let me verify the customer details. Here, all customer info has been synced. And then, verifying the sales order details. Here it's synced as well. In fifth use case, I will process the shipment of the sales order in ERP. The tracking agent and number should be synced by a connector. Let's move to Connector Live Feed page and review the sync confirmation message. Here you see the confirmation message has been posted. Let's move to e-commerce and verify this sync. Here you can see the agent and tracking number has been synced by connector. Also, you can see here the sales order status has been changed and synced. In the sixth use case, I will be invoicing the sales order. Let me invoice this order quickly here in the ERP. Let's move to Connector Live Feed page and review the sync confirmation message. The confirmation message has appeared. Let me move to e-commerce and verify this sync. Here, you see the status of the order has been changed and sync has been successful.